Hey guys, squishy hunting with me at Save More. But all of this is school supplies. Let's get into the Mr. DIY, guys. Wait a minute. So we're gonna checking now. Ito lang yung binili namin, guys. Seaweed siya, tapos boy pawa kay Papa. We're gonna go on the Mr. DIY, guys. Wait for us. We're near the outside, guys. Let's walking. Ah! We're gonna walking now. Pa? Bala ka. Baka hindi niya naman gusto. Wait, guys. We're gonna walk now, guys. Malapit na tayo, guys. Yes. Ayun na kasal. Uy. Sobrang init. Para bang wait lang, guys. We're in here na and there's a Mr. DIY and there squishy hunting. Minute lang, guys. I'm so excited because there are a lot of squishy in there. In here, guys, in the store. In here, we're gonna find. Come now. We're gonna find. We're gonna blind box. There's a lot of people. Guys, we're gonna find a squishy and there's like a lot of stuff. What the heck is this? Is it like a... Just joking. I find a lot of blind bags here, guys. So many blind bags. I didn't even find it. Oh my god. I think I found one. I found these. It's super cool. Like in a stove and there's anything. Should I buy this, guys? Oh, there's a pink. So I think I'm gonna buy this. Okay, let's buy this. There's everything, guys. Disney Princess Costco. Wala ng blind bags. Ito na lang. Na-check out, guys. Gonna get in the hotel, guys, and see you in the part 2 of unboxing my slime.